Hi guys, so today we will check how we can create a mega menu in WordPress website in an easy way. So for that I have installed a WordPress in my local host, and so let me log in at that fresh installation and see how we can create a mega menu. So guys, here we have a fresh installation of WordPress, and before this what we have did is we have created some pages, like you can see all the pages here, like about us, blog, contact us, home, privacy policy, product and services. Apart from that, we have customized some settings here, like we have change the home page setting. Here at the home page we have selected the page home as a home page, and post page we have selected the blog page. Right before that, by default, the home page display is your latest post, but we have changed it as a static page. Right. Okay. Next is we have set the logo, and we have created the menu item. In the appearance we have created the menu item. Here you can see we have created a main menu and choose all the required pages, and set a menu here. But I want to show my services in this section, at the service section, as a mega menu. Right, if you see here, my pages are looking something like this, but I want to show it as a mega menu. Right, so here I have to create a mega menu for the service section. But before that, I want to tell you like what kind of plugins we have installed and what kind of theme is here. So if you check the theme and if you check the plugin, if you check the theme, we are using Astra. We are using Astra theme, and this is very good free theme. And we have already installed the Elementor plugin. Apart from that, we have installed Elementor header and footer builder, and other one is Royal Elementor add-on. Right, these three plugins we have installed, and now we will see how we can create. And the button, when I'm just hovering over the menu items here, you can see mega menu is showing it here, this button. So this is because of this plugin, Royal Elementor add-on. Okay, next let me click this mega menu, and here we will select either fit to full width or default. So let it be as a default, and next we will choose edit with Elementor. So we have to edit the menu item, we have to create. It is something like we are creating a page in Elementor. So here I have already created this thing, this kind of it is very simple. It is same like we are creating some page. Right, initially we have taken some sections, this section, then we have just taken the image. Next we have taken the title, and then we have taken the text. Right, so here you can see this is image, this is the title, okay. This is the title. Okay, just let me paste the style. Is it? So in this way we have to reduce the size. we have to reduce the size. So in this way we have created this thing. Okay, so let we keep this thing as a mega menu and just update it. And just close it and save it here. And close this again and save the menu. And then the next step is we have to go to Elementor header and footer section, right? So here we need to create a header and footer section. Now we have to choose it as a header and we have to give it visibility to entire website and update and publish it. And try to edit this with Elementor. Okay, so here what we will do, here we will just choose a section like this. Let me reduce this. Here we will put the image, so we will select the logo, and then here we have to find just type mega menu and just paste it here and update it. Okay, now we can check our home page. It's looking something like this. So we have to change its positioning. Okay, so let me change the position. Something like at the right side, and let me change how it's looking. Okay, let me change the typography size a bit and weight. So let me check whether the size has been changed or not. Okay, so should increase the size again. Okay, size has been increased, and you can see the service is working as a mega menu. You have designed this thing as a mega menu, but other are simple. So this is your mega menu. Hope this tutorial is worth for you and you have gained some knowledge. In case you have any question, you want to ask anything, you can put your question inside the comment. I will try my best to answer each and every question. Thank you very much.